your kitchen has a problem. And no, it's not the lack of space. It's that it's stuck in the Stone Age. Today, I'm showing you gadgets that do things your stove, your knives, and your patience could never pull off. All the links are in the description. Hit like, subscribe, and get ready, because after these gadgets, your kitchen won't just look upgraded, it'll feel like a whole new universe. This compact lemon squeezer pulls out every drop without seeds or pulp sneaking into your drink. The built-in chamber collects the juice so you can pour it straight into a glass or snap on the lid to store it for later. Made from durable BPA-free plastic, it won't absorb odors and stays clean even after frequent use. You get 2 squeezers, yellow and green, perfect for lemons and limes whether you're mixing cocktails, making lemonade, or prepping dressings and sauces. Small, efficient, and great for quick kitchen or bar tasks. You can grab the set for $9.99. This cocktail shaker is perfect for anyone who wants to mix drinks without making a mess, or pretending they're a trained bartender. The 24-ounce stainless steel shaker comes with a leak-proof lid, built-in strainer, a dual-sided jigger, and a sleek mixing spoon, giving you everything you need to shake up martinis, margaritas, or any new recipe you feel brave enough to try. Made from durable 304 stainless steel with a mirror finish, it's rust-resistant, scratch-resistant, and tough enough for busy home bars. The cap even measures exactly 1 ounce, so you can follow recipes without digging for extra tools. It's simple to use, dishwasher-safe, and makes mixing drinks feel effortless. Great for parties, gifting, or impressing yourself on a random Tuesday. You can grab it for $9.99. This commercial-style citrus juicer is built for anyone who wants maximum juice with minimum effort. The 5-inch press bowl handles lemons, limes, oranges, grapefruits, and even tougher fruits like pomegranates. It squeezes out every drop while leaving seeds behind, giving you clean, fresh juice ready for cooking, cocktails, or anything that needs a citrus boost. The cast iron body is incredibly durable, and the leverage system lets you pull the handle once and watch the juice pour out without straining your hands. The heavy rubber base keeps the juicer steady so it won't slide, tip, or wobble while you're pressing. Cleanup is simple. Every removable part is dishwasher safe, and the stainless steel bowl and filter are food grade for safe long-term use. No electricity, no batteries, just reliable manual power that works every time. It's great for home chefs, bartenders, or anyone tired of flimsy squeezers that barely do the job. And with a lifetime guarantee, it's built to last many years of juicing. You can grab it for $124.99. This oil sprayer is perfect for anyone who wants precise, even coverage without drowning food in oil. The advanced fan-shaped nozzle creates an ultra-fine, consistent mist, and one full pull sprays about 0.04 ounces, great for portion control, healthy cooking, and air fryer recipes. The built-in filter keeps the nozzle from clogging, and the leak-proof trigger design prevents accidental drips in the kitchen or when you take it outdoors for grilling or picnics. The locking buckle is a smart touch, keeping the bottle sealed during storage or travel. Made from premium glass, it feels sturdy and looks great on the counter. You can fill it with nearly anything: olive oil, avocado oil, soy sauce, vinegar, wine, or water, making it handy for roasting, baking, seasoning, salads, and everyday cooking. The ergonomic handle gives you an easy, comfortable spray, and the wide bottle opening makes refilling quick and mess-free. The 6.8-ounce capacity is ideal for daily use without constant refills. You can grab it for $26.99. This 3-tier glass rimmer makes prepping cocktail rims way easier and way cleaner. Each tier is separated so you can keep lime juice, salt, and sugar in their own compartments without mixing flavors or creating a sticky disaster. The trays are even labeled, so you always know what's inside and avoid cross-contamination, because nobody wants salty sugar on a margarita. Made from durable, food-safe ABS plastic, it's sturdy enough for home bartenders or busy professional bars. It folds shut for compact storage, and you can hand wash it or toss it in the dishwasher without worry. The black design blends into any bar setup, making it both practical and sleek. It's perfect for margaritas, mojitos, lemon drops, or any drink that just tastes better with a dressed-up rim. Whether you're hosting friends or upgrading your bar tools, this rimmer helps you get that clean, even coating every time. You can grab it for $9.99. If chopping garlic feels like a punishment, this stainless steel garlic rocker is about to make your life easier. Instead of smashing cloves with a knife and getting garlic everywhere, you just rock this tool back and forth, and it turns cloves into perfectly minced garlic in seconds. The arc-shaped design and soft, non-slip handle keep it comfortable, even when your recipe demands 5 or 20 cloves. Made from durable 304 stainless steel, it's built for daily use and won't bend, rust, or dull out. The wide press area handles multiple cloves at once, giving you uniform minced garlic with way less effort, and without the finger drama. Cleanup is fast and painless. Rinse it under running water, scrub for a second, or toss it straight into the dishwasher. No tiny holes to unclog, no garlic smell trapped in gadgets, and with Zule's lifetime guarantee, it's designed to stick with you through every pasta night, stir-fry and marinate. You can grab it for $12.99. This rotating spice rack brings order, flavor, and a little bit of style to your countertop. It includes 20 glass jars already filled with essential spices, everything from basil and rosemary to coriander, dill, Italian seasoning, and even pizza seasoning. Each jar has a removable sifter cap for clean, even dispensing, and the bold labels make it easy to grab exactly what you need mid-recipe. The polished stainless steel rack rotates smoothly, keeping every spice within reach without digging through cabinets. And the best part? You get 5 years of free spice refills, so the rack basically pays for itself over time. It's compact, organized, and surprisingly satisfying to spin, like a flavor carousel for your kitchen. You can grab it for $30.99. If wire bristle brushes make you nervous, and honestly they should, this Bristle-Free grill cleaner is a huge upgrade. It uses a rigid triple helix design. No metal bristles, no melting nylon, no mystery pieces ending up in your food. Just safe, solid cleaning every time. The built-in wide scraper works fast, letting you cut through burnt-on residue way quicker than standard brushes. And the upgraded flexible helix reaches the sides of the grates, not just the surface, so whether you've got a gas grill, charcoal grill, smoker, porcelain, infrared, or a Weber, this thing brings the shine back. It's built to last with a tough plastic handle and reinforced core that won't bend or snap when you really lean into it. Grill Art even backs it with a lifetime money-back guarantee because they know people get attached to their grill gear. Just follow the cleaning tips and replace it when needed for best results. You can grab it for $24.99. This slim toaster proves you don't need a giant appliance to get perfect toast. With a sleek 3.5-inch profile, it fits almost anywhere, ideal for tight counters, small kitchens, or anyone who's tired of appliances hogging space. The extra-wide 10-inch long slot can handle 2 slices of bread, thick sourdough, bagels, baguettes, basically anything you can convince to fit inside. You get 6 shade settings, plus a cancel button for those moments when you realize you overshot your toast ambitions. The high-lift lever saves your fingers from fishing out tiny English muffins, which is honestly a win for humanity. Cleanup is simple thanks to the removable crumb tray, and the built-in cord wrap keeps your counter looking neat instead of like a toaster crime scene. It's compact, convenient, and surprisingly stylish. Part of Bella's Fits Anywhere collection, designed to make your kitchen look cleaner and work smarter. You can grab it for $24.99. This upgraded 3-in-1 sink strainer is the kind of little gadget that suddenly solves 3 annoying problems at once. Press the pop-up button once to hold water for washing, press again to drain while catching every bit of food waste before it goes down the pipes. No more fishing leftovers out of the drain like a crime scene investigator. The anti-clogging basket filter scraps effortlessly, and the holes are designed so they won't jam up after one meal. It fits most US standard 3.5-inch sink drains, but a quick measurement before buying is always smart. Made with rust-proof 304 stainless steel and a solid brass bounce core, it feels sturdy and smooth to use. The PP Food Safe basket is lightweight, heat-resistant, and easy to clean. Just rinse and go. Installation takes seconds, and maintenance is basically wiping it down. Simple, effective, and way more useful than it looks. You can grab it for $11.99. These motion sensor under-cabinet lights are perfect for anyone tired of fumbling around in the dark. In sensor mode, they turn on automatically when they detect movement within 10 feet and shut off after about 20 seconds of no activity. Great for late-night kitchen visits or avoiding a stairway accident at 3 in the morning. They also include an always-on mode, so you can use them for reading, camping, or as a handheld flashlight. With 63 LEDs and a frosted cover, the light is bright but easy on the eyes, and you can choose from 5 brightness levels depending on the task. Each light features a rechargeable 2,500 mAh battery that charges via USB-C and lasts anywhere from a week to over a month on sensor mode. Installation is simple thanks to the built-in magnets and adhesive metal plates. No electrician required. You can grab the 2-pack for $24.99. This double-sided cutting board gives you a clean workspace no matter what you're prepping. One side is stainless steel, perfect for meat, fish, and anything messy. Flip it over, and you've got a wheat straw surface for veggies, fruits, and everyday chopping, so your produce never meets raw meat juice again. The stainless steel side is non-porous, which means no lingering odors, stains, or bacteria hiding in the surface. Plus, the built-in juice groove keeps liquids from spilling all over your counter. Cleanup is easy. Rinse it, wipe it, or just run it through the dishwasher. The integrated stainless steel handle gives you a solid grip while chopping and doubles as a hanging hook for storage. It's sturdy, hygienic, and designed to last through years of heavy kitchen use. You can grab it for $23.99. This slim air fryer fits almost anywhere while still handling big family portions. The Evergood ceramic nonstick coating keeps things PFAS-free and easy to clean. With a 3.3-pound basket, you can cook fries, chicken, or salmon in one go. 6 digital presets and adjustable temperature make meals quick, crisp, and simple. Stylish matte design included. You can grab it for $49.98. This is the chopper you've seen everywhere because it actually makes meal prep faster. The Full-Star Pro Chopper uses razor-sharp 420 stainless steel blades to dice potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, basically anything that stands still long enough. With a 5-cup container, you can chop big batches without stopping, and the built-in catch tray keeps your counter clean. The soft grip handle makes pressing easier, and the non-skid base keeps everything steady so you're not chasing the chopper around the kitchen. It's BPA-free, super simple to set up, and just as easy to take apart when you're done. And the best part? No scrubbing. Just toss it on the top rack of your dishwasher and walk away like a meal prep champion. It's one of those kitchen gadgets people actually use and gift because it saves real time and effort. You can grab it for $34.99. If you love cafe-style drinks but don't love cafe-style prices, this triple whisk frother gets you silky, creamy foam in seconds. Whether it's lattes, cappuccinos, hot chocolate, or matcha, the 3-whisk design creates richer foam faster than standard frothers, and definitely faster than trying to whisk milk by hand. It's strong enough to blend protein powder, smoothies, or powdered drinks without lugging out a blender. The stainless steel construction keeps it sturdy, and it works with any type of milk. Whole, almond, soy, cashew, even cream if you're going full dessert mode. Cleanup takes about 5 seconds. Run it under hot water, turn it on briefly, and it cleans itself. The included metal stand keeps it ready on your counter instead of disappearing into a drawer. It runs on 4 AA Duracell batteries, so it's cordless, portable, and great for travel or work. And because it's backed by the Zule lifetime guarantee, you know it's built to last. You can grab it for $19.99. This handheld blender gives you 4 tools in one: a powerful stick blender, an egg whisk, a 24-ounce beaker, and a chopper bowl for prepping veggies or sauces. With a 500-watt motor and turbo mode, it handles smoothies, soups, purees, and baby food without slowing down. You get 20 adjustable speeds for precise control, plus a turbo button for when you need a quick burst of power. Great for crushing ice or speeding through thick mixtures. The stainless steel blades and splash guard design keep things smooth and clean. Attachments click on and off easily, and the detachable parts make cleaning and storage simple. You can grab it for $25.49. This slim griddle folds up to save nearly half the space of a regular one, making it perfect for tight kitchens. The Evergood ceramic nonstick coating keeps food sliding and cleanup easy, without PFAS or other chemicals. Dual temperature zones let you cook pancakes on one side and bacon on the other, both heating up to 400 degrees. A drip tray catches grease, and the cool touch handles keep things safe while you cook. You can grab it for $49.99. This extra deep electric skillet is basically a portable stovetop that feeds the whole family. With a 16 by 13-inch pan and over 10 quarts of capacity, you can fry chicken, sear steaks, make giant batches of veggies, or flip pancakes for 8 people without juggling pans. The marbleized honeycomb nonstick coating is tougher than standard nonstick. Scratch-resistant, crack-resistant, and designed to release food effortlessly. Cleanup is easy too. Remove the temperature probe and the entire skillet becomes dishwasher safe and fully immersible in the sink. The M-shaped heating element provides fast, even heat from 200 to 400 degrees, so you don't deal with hot spots or scorched edges. A tempered glass lid locks in moisture, and the built-in pour spout makes draining sauces or grease way less messy. Perfect for big families, gatherings, or meal prepping champions. You can grab it for $59.99. This cold press juicer is built to give you high-quality juice without the hassle. The 400-watt motor runs at a slow 50 RPM, reducing heat and oxidation so your fruits and veggies keep more nutrients and flavor. The 5.8-inch feed chute is massive, big enough for whole apples, oranges, or handfuls of greens without chopping. If something gets stuck, the reverse button clears it in seconds. With only 3 main parts and a cleaning brush included, assembling and washing up is surprisingly quick. A built-in safety system shuts the machine off automatically when the lid opens, giving you peace of mind in busy kitchens. You can grab it for $93.49. This scoop is built like it actually respects your love for ice cream. No moving parts, no flimsy hinges, just a solid, heavy-duty design that glides through rock-hard frozen desserts like it's slicing warm butter. The curved scoop shapes perfect spheres for cones, brownies, or sundaes, while the thin edges reach deep corners, so you never waste that last delicious bite. It doubles as a kitchen multi-tool too. Scoop cookie dough, remove melon seeds, even stuffed peppers. The handle is comfortable, easy to grip, and won't freeze your hand like all metal scoops. There's even a little notch for lifting container lids. Your fingers will thank you. Dishwasher safe and built to last. It's the kind of tool you buy once and keep forever. If you've ever fought with bad scoops, this one feels like redemption. You can grab it for $9.99. This hand-crank cheese grater turns blocks of cheese into perfect shreds in seconds, about a pound in 30 seconds, without your fingers ever getting close to the blades. It comes with 3 stainless steel cylinders, coarse shred, fine shred, and a slicing blade, giving you options for salads, pasta, baking, or snack-time cheese mountains. The suction cup base locks onto smooth surfaces like marble or glass, so it doesn't slide around while you crank. All plastic parts are BPA-free, and the 430 stainless steel blades resist rust and stay sharp. It works great with cheddar, mozzarella, parmesan, romano, and other semi-firm cheeses, but also handles veggies, nuts, chocolate, and more. When you're done, the parts separate easily and are safe for the top rack of the dishwasher. You can grab it for $28.96.